Canon has released a ton of amazing cameras in recent years, so it can be very hard to find the best Canon camera for you with so many good options available. In this video, we break down the top 5 Canon cameras on the market this year based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for an easy-to-use, affordable camera or something to take professional-level photos and videos, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which Canon camera will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss a thing. First up, we have the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, our pick for best entry-level Canon DSLR camera. If you're someone who wants a great, easy-to-use camera that you could take some stunning photos with, giving you the colors and blurry background effect that really makes your photos pop at an affordable price, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is going to be a great option for you. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is the perfect camera in Canon's product line for those looking for an easy-to-use DSLR that's small, lightweight, and has great battery life at an affordable price point. Whether you're capturing family memories, vlogging, or just a photography enthusiast, you'll appreciate the features and built-in guidance that will make photographic fundamentals like shutter speed, aperture settings, and depth of field easy to use, adjust, utilize, and understand. High image quality is produced using a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor paired up with a Digic 8 image processor and fast, accurate dual-pixel CMOS autofocus with eye detection. It shoots 4K video at 30 or 60 FPS with an option for 4K time-lapse. Although the 4K footage isn't great in this camera, we'll have some better 4K options coming up later in this video. Battery life of the Rebel SL3 will give you enough power to capture between 1,000 and 1,600 images, depending on whether or not you use the flash or other power-consuming features. Vloggers will find the side-hinged, fully articulated touchscreen and the 3.5mm mic input jack welcome additions. The screen can be positioned to any angle needed, or it can face forward for selfies and monitoring vlog shoots. Use it to scroll through menus, select settings, swipe through images in playback, and monitor in real time. Change the white balance and the results are immediately visible. Same thing for exposure, so you'll always know what you're going to get before you commit and snap the shutter. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 gives you everything you need in a tried and true form factor, with a solid set of features that make it a great choice for you. And its guided menu and built-in help makes it an excellent beginner-friendly tool for photographers and video makers who are still learning and improving. Next, the Canon 90D, our pick for best value per dollar Canon camera. There's a lot to like about the Canon EOS 90D, especially if you prefer DSLRs over mirrorless cameras. The EOS 90D has a high-res sensor with quick, smooth performance and offers great value for the dollar. The polycarbonate resin and glass fiber body of the EOS 90D feels sturdily built and is extremely comfortable to use. The redesigned grip is deeper and slightly thinner, making it easy to handle, even if you have larger lenses attached. A new 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor offers very high resolution, so you'll be able to capture greater detail while maintaining the flexibility to crop an image in post-processing to zoom in closer to your subject without compromising overall image quality. The latest Digic 8 image processor opens the door to 4K video and uses the entire width of the sensor. The video quality on this camera is great. Simply put, at this price range, it is easily one of the best cameras for video and it's a favorite among a lot of YouTubers. The processor also boosts the maximum burst speed to 10 FPS with continuous autofocus, or at 11 FPS when using live view. The 90D uses a 45-point cross-type autofocus system, and a new 220,000 pixel RGB plus IR metering sensor adds face detection. It also has a 3-inch fully articulating touch-enabled rear screen that can be used for tap to focus and shoot, as well as to review images and zoom in or out. Also new is a 216-zone metering system that gathers data from an RGB and infrared sensor. Each zone is assessed for exposure, and overall brightness is adjusted for the frame. It does a great job whether your subject is in sunlight, in shadow, or even backlit. If you're looking for a versatile camera that works great for both photo and video, the Canon EOS 90D would be a great choice for you. You'll enjoy excellent results, whether you're shooting landscapes or trying to capture amazing moments on video. Next, we have the Canon EOS M50, our choice for best entry-level mirrorless Canon camera. If you're looking for a great affordable mirrorless camera that offers great image quality, is easy to use, and has a decent autofocus system and impressive video, the Canon EOS M50 packs a lot of value and is a great choice for any photographer looking for something that's affordable, approachable, and versatile enough for video shooting. The EOS M50 is a small, light, mirrorless camera that offers a high degree of versatility with its ability to use interchangeable lenses and comes equipped with an EF-M 15 to 45mm lens. This is one of the best-selling cameras in the world for good reason, and has quickly become a favorite for those on a budget looking to start their own YouTube channel or just film videos of themselves. If that's interesting to you, you could purchase the camera with the Content Creator Kit. The kit includes the camera and the EF-M 15 to 45mm lens, a Canon DM-E100 directional microphone with a windscreen, and a tripod grip. Basically, everything you need to start recording quality content. The 24-megapixel APS-C sensor features 4K capture support and is backed with a Digic 8 processor that provides greater speed, better quality, more focus points, and good low-light performance than other cameras in this price range. The autofocus is quick, quiet, and accurate, so when you're vlogging, the camera is going to track your face and keep it sharp with no focus hunting, whether you're shooting in 30 or 60 frames per second, and the battery will give you about 130 minutes of shooting time. An articulated screen for helping you monitor your recordings is in place and flips out from the side of the camera and rotates the face forward, rather than flipping up at the top of the camera where it has the potential to block the accessory shoe where a mic or light could be mounted. If you're looking for an affordable camera, perfect for general shooting or to create YouTube videos, as well as photos, the Canon EOS M50 would be a really good choice. It's portable, has an articulating screen, a good sensor and image processor, and even includes a lens that's perfect for close-ups and headshots, and its quiet autofocus drive makes it ideal for video. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next, we have the Canon EOS R5, our pick for best Canon mirrorless camera. If you're someone who's interested in professional-grade camera equipment, the Canon EOS R5 is a full-frame mirrorless camera body for serious still photography. It can capture 10-bit HDR stills and video clips up to 8K resolution, capable of producing nearly movie-quality images at a fraction of the cost of a traditional cinema camera. The 45-megapixel sensor of the EOS R5 outshines most of the best mirrorless cameras on the market, and its 8-stop in-body image stabilization is unrivaled. With this camera, you'll be able to capture uncropped raw 8K video using the entire readout of the 35mm sensor at up to 30 frames per second, or 4K at up to 120 frames per second. The AI-powered deep learning autofocus system delivers extremely accurate eye, face, and head tracking, uses 5,940 AF points for photography and 4,500 for video, and has the capability to track the eyes, faces, and bodies of animals, and even birds in flight. Very simply put, this is simply amazing for video. If you're more into photography, I'll have a great option for you up next in the video, although this is also an extremely capable photography camera as well. Continuous shooting is also supported, capturing 12 frames per second using the mechanical shutter, or 20 frames per second using the electronic shutter. This is backed up by dual card slots with speedy CF Express support, giving the EOS R5 the ability to compete with sports cameras, video cameras, and medium format cameras alike. A fully articulating touchscreen helps to simplify video recording or taking stills from elevated or low angles, and stows away flush into the camera when not in use. If you're looking for a full-frame mirrorless camera that has the power and versatility to shoot everything from landscapes to wildlife to sporting events, the Canon EOS R5 would be an excellent choice. If you want one of the best cameras for video to take your work to a professional level, that's also a very capable photography camera, this is going to be the product for you. Finally, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, our pick for best Canon DSLR camera. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a complete and well-rounded DSLR camera. It's the perfect camera for professional-level photography that's also a very functional video camera as well. This DSLR camera features a 30.4-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with a high-performance Digic 6 Plus image processor for good speed and excellent image quality. It can capture 4K motion JPEG video at 30 or 24 frames per second, with variations that include Full HD up to 60 frames per second and HD up to 120 frames per second. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus is very responsive and delivers smooth autofocus when shooting video or live view shooting. The large 3.2-inch LCD monitor boasts an impressive 1.6 million dots and lets you access menu functions, review images, and more. The resolution of the screen is one of the sharpest out there, and using it to compose your shots in live view is a piece of cake. The viewfinder offers 100% coverage and displays key shooting info along the bottom through Canon's intelligent Viewfinder 2 technology. The burst rate is respectable at 7 frames per second, and the Mark IV can now sustain this to shoot 21 RAW files or unlimited JPEGs. As far as the battery is concerned, you should easily get around 900 shots on a full charge. To accommodate accessories, the Mark IV has external microphone and headphone ports, an HDMI mini out, and USB 3.0 terminals. It also has dual compact flash and SD card slots that support fast UDMA 7 cards and features both Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity for transferring images to a compatible device and a built-in GPS unit for location tagging your shots. If you're on the hunt for the best DSLR camera that's a highly capable video camera, but is also a true professional-grade photography camera capable of taking unbelievable photos, the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is going to be the best choice for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.